Good morning, Keller class. It's Monday, the 8th of February, and our learning today is going to be all about finding change from 50p and 100p. So let's begin our learning. So we're at a tuck shop, and a tuck shop is somewhere where you can buy food, and our tuck shop today is a healthy tuck shop. So it sells milk, orange juice, toast, yogurt, water, banana, apple, oranges, cereal or carrot sticks. And everything in our tuck shop costs less than £1. Okay, less than 100p. So let's see what's bought. So Freddie buys a banana and he pays with 50p. How much change should we give him? So the banana is 24p. So we've got to find the change, find the difference between 24p and 50p. And one way of doing that is with our bar model. So we're trying to find the difference between 24p and 50p, which is this bit here. And the way we can give change is to count on from how much something costs to how much we pay. So we need to count on from 24 to 50p. And we do that by trying to get to the nearest 10 numbers, using our 10 numbers to help us. So the next 10 number after 24 is 30. 24 to 30 is 6p. And then we can just count in tens because we're at a 10 number and counting in tens is easier for us. We go another 10p and another 10p, and we're at 50p. So we can add up these. 10 and 10 make 20 and 6 make 26. So you can see 24p and 26p make 50p. So our change is 26p. Again, because we're finding the difference, we can use column subtraction if we prefer. So let's just check we get the same answer. Starting as always with the ones, 0 take away 4, we can't do, so we have to exchange. We exchange one of those tens, so we've only got 4 tens, and that 10 becomes 10 ones. So now we've got 10 take away 4. 10 take away 4, we know is 6. 4 take away 2 tens leaves me 2 tens. So our answer is 26p. Forgot my pen, sorry. Okay, can you see you get the same answer, just a different method? And it's going to be whichever method you prefer using Keller class today. So and next time, this time Sherelle buys a bowl of cereal and she pays with 50p. And the cereal costs 43p. So remember, we're trying to find the other section that would go with 43 to make 50p. Can you see it's only a small bit? And that's because 43 is really close to 50p, isn't it? In fact, the next 10 number from 43 is 50. So we just add 7. So 43p and 7p make 50p. The change is 7p. And again, doing column subtraction. 50p take away 43p. 0 take away 3, we can't do, so we need to exchange. We exchange that. 1 10, so we've only got 4 10, and we make sure we've now got 10 ones. 10 ones take away 3 ones, leaves us 7. 4 take away 4 is 0, so our change is 7p. Same answer, different method. Okay, this time Sian's got a little bit more money to spend. She's got £1. She's got a £1 coin. So she buys some toast. And can you see toast is 36p. So we've got to find the difference between 36p and £1 or 100 pence. Can you see 36 pence is here, and we've got to find this bit here. So just like before, we're going to try and get to the next 10 number after 36. And the next 10 number after 36 is 40. And now we're at a 10 number, we can just count in tens to £1. Let's add them up: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 64 pence. So 36 and 64 make 100. So 64 pence is your change. Some of you might have been able to think, right, well, I'm at 50, I'm going to 100. I'm just going to put 50 pence there. So I could have had 50 pence, add 10 is 60. That's okay if you feel confident to do that. Let's have a look now, column subtraction. So 0 take away 6 ones. We can't do it, so we need to exchange. But we've no tens to exchange, so we have to go to this 100 and exchange that 100 for 9 tens and 10 ones. 9 tens make 90, 10 ones make 10. Put them together and we get that 100. So we're going to cross that out. And that's a 0. Okay. We've got to cross that out because we've got 9 tens, remember now. For 90, and we've got 10 ones. 90 and 10 make that original 100. 10 take away 6 is 4. 9 take away 3 is 6. 64 pence. Okay. It's going to be entirely up to you, Keller class, which method you prefer to use. Okay, so Leonie buys 2 apples and she pays with £1. How much change should you give her? So the first thing we're going to have to do is work out how much 2 apples are. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So we're adding 17 pence plus 17 pence equals. So I'm going to add up the 2 10 pences. So I've got a 10 pence there and I've got a 10 pence there. So I'm going to say 10 pence and 10 pence makes 20 pence. Now I'm going to add 7 and 7. And I know that 7 and 7 make 14 pence. And then I just combine those numbers. So I'm going to do 20, add my 10 is 30, add 4, 34 pence. So let's see if we're right, Keller class. £34, we were right. Okay, so we've got to find the change now from £1 when we spend 34 pence. So again, we're jumping to our next 10 number, which again is 40, and then we can just count in tens to that 100. So let's see the bond that goes with 34 to make 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 66 pence. 66 pence. So that's the change. Again, we can do it column subtraction. 0 take away 4 I can't do again, so I need to exchange. I've no tens to exchange, so I need to exchange this 100. So I don't have 100 anymore. I need to exchange it for 9 tens and 10 ones. So I've now got 9 tens and 10 ones. 10 take away 4 leaves me 6. 9 take away 3 leaves me 6. I change 66 pence. Same answer, different result. Okay. So this is your learning for today, and you've got 2 sheets to do, but the sheets are just 1 question each, so you've got 2 questions to have a go at. These will be on our class story as well. Question 1 is exactly the same as we've been doing and looks at change from 50 pence. So you've got the prices of things here and what you're buying here. Okay. Question 2, very, very similar, but this time you're paying with £1. So 100 pence. Good luck, Keller class, and I look forward to seeing your learning today.